All right, good morning. So, briefly, this is my Scratch page, which looks a lot like yours when you just go to your dashboard page. To find the tutorials, because today you're going to learn how to do a simple Pong game, which is kind of like ping pong, virtual ping pong sort of, except you can choose different sprites to be the ball and different sprites to be the paddle and different backdrop, right? The background. So I'm on my main page and I go up to this navigation bar up here and I click on create, and this is where I go to my creation area. I click that again. I think I clicked on it well enough. All right, in the top left navigation bar again, you've got file, edit, tutorials. And remember, by the way, just a little tip, if you're creating a project and it doesn't give you an option to save, I go two different ways. One is click share and see if it will save it that way. The other way, fail safe, is to go up to file and click save to your computer, and it will save a version of your project, your Scratch project, to your Chromebook, and then you can later upload that. To open it up, go to another Scratch blank project page, click on load from your computer, choose that file, and it will open it up. So that's a fail-safe way to do it so you don't lose all your work. But today, I'm looking for tutorials. So I go up to tutorials, and there's a whole bunch, and I don't have to go down very far, and I see Pong game, because these are, well, they're not alphabetical. Pong game. So I click on Pong game, and you've seen this before, probably. And you've got the little arrow. Now that will take you through the various animations that show you how to add actions, sounds, costumes, etc. to your game. But to get the idea of what this looks like from the start, there's that intro video,
You can use Scratch to make a Pong game.
which is pretty short. So that's how you access the tutorial, and away you Scratch. Adios.